Now you know what happened to me. If you don't see me for the next couple of days, Ula killed me. What did I do? I only mentioned Valentine's Day very lightly. I just said light shopping, and look at it now, hands to the neck. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first rodeo, my name is FUMI Desalu-Vold, and today's episode is going to be a talk through. A lot of you have been telling me that, FUMI, you know what, don't go so fast, don't speed through the tutorial. So I'm going to start doing talk throughs from now on. Valentine's Day is today. Happy Valentine's Day my loves. I wish you lots of love, positive vibes, that's important, good health, laughter, lots of laughter, and more love. So I have a makeup tutorial for you guys using the Festive palette by Juvi'a. Please, where is it? Because it launches tomorrow. So I wanted to do like a very sunset ombre, fun, bold look that you guys could wear out for Valentine's Day weekend. It's Wednesday. I don't know if a lot of you will go out today or you'll just save it for the weekend. I'm going to save mine for the weekend. So I wanted something really fabulous to be looking hot, steaming, and sexy across the dinner table from Ulski. So congratulations to Juvi'a, please. Fabulous. They came out with the Festive palette, and for the first time ever they came out with 2 liquid lipsticks. I have already done 2 tutorials with this palette. When I tell you I love this palette, it screams my name. It's because it's bold and it is me. So the palette comes out tomorrow. That's why I'm telling you guys, for your weekend, you guys are lit. It's not how you say it, lit. I'm trying to get with the program. So let me flip it open. I've already done 2 tutorials. I did like a red, I did like a blue, but I hadn't used the yellow, and I really wanted to use the yellow. Do you like my yellow nails? Saint Laurent, YSL. Inspiration from the yellow. I thought, let me go with yellow nails. So anyway, I wanted to do this ombre look for you guys. It's so sunsetty when you're sitting across your loved one having dinner, and it's bold. So you can wear all white, you can wear all black. Your face is dressed up. It is such a sensational palette. When I tell you, I look at this and I see 100 more looks that I can do. And I wanted to go ahead and do another look for you guys to celebrate the Festive palette, to celebrate Valentine's Day. And they came out with 2 liquid lipsticks. I've used those liquid lipsticks in the prior tutorials. I wanted you guys to have an option here as well. The first liquid lipstick is a brownish black. First time ever for Juvi'a, please. Congratulations. Beautiful. It's a brownish black and it is super light. It dries all the way down, doesn't crack, doesn't crumble. I've talked about this before in my previous episode. Gorgeous. You can wear it with this look. You can bring out the Grace Jones in you. Then you have the terracotta. I love this soil. It's like a deep orange, and this is rare. It's one of my absolute faves. So those are the lips that you can wear with it, and you can wear any lip that you want with it. You can also put the 2 together, mix it, whatever, but I wanted you to have that option. So this is the look that we have today. So grab some snacks and a drink, and I'll be waiting for you right here. I hope you really enjoy this kind of videos. You let me know. As you can see, I've put on a base, and this basically is the Jumbo Pencil in Milk by NYX. So deep potted in here. So I just tap onto my lids like that with my fingers. I'm gonna take my Morphe M513 brush. I love fluffy brushes because it really just blends in the shadows. So we're going to take the Festival palette, voila, and I'm going to go in with this pink right here. I'm just going to touch it lightly, and I'm going to put it onto my eyelid. I'm just going to go right in above my crease. I'm going to put this above my crease. You have to go light. That way you can control any kind of mistakes, or you feel like, oops, I don't want this color. You can always go back and correct it because there's not that much on the lid. Yeah? So now I'm going to circular motions and just put it in. Yeah? Okay. Then I'm going to take another Morphe brush, and this is the M518, and I'm going to go in with Ofala, and this is that bright orange right here. This one right there. Up, let me put it up a little bit. I'm going to swirl it through. Voila. See? And then I'm going to put this right up there. Yes? And I'm just going to go back and forth right there, all the way up to the brow. I know you'll be thinking, FUMI, this kind of Sada looks a lot. No. It's a festival palette. We're festive. It's Valentine's. It's going to be good. I promise. Don't worry. Yeah? Do not worry. So I'm just going to put that up there, and I'm just going to sweep it right up to the brow. I'm going to do it on the other side too. Then I'm going to take my MAC brush, the 217 brush, and we are going to go into Oro. I love this yellow. It's so pretty, and it's a very lovely mustardy pale yellow. It's not hot. That's the only way I can describe it. Like, for example, the pink to me is a hot pink, but this one is much more subdued, like a custardy shish yellow. Yeah, and we're going to put this one right onto the lid right there. Just pack it on there. Don't worry about it because we got lots of blending to do, and we're gonna just take it all over the lid. Yeah, it's such a beautiful color. Now I'm going to go in with the Sahara Volume 1, and this palette is so gorgeous. You know I love Chad. I've hit pan on it. I'm going to buy another palette as a matter of fact. So just to give the eye a little more depth, I'm going to go in with the Chad just a little bit because I don't want it to take away from the color that I have. The art of this is to blend. You're going to blend and blend and blend because you want the colors to kind of fall into each other, you know, without it being overwhelming. So you should have something like this towards the endish. Yeah, we are going to go in with the peach. This is the peach color here, and it's called Mamwu, and I'm just going to put a little bit on a flat brush, and this brush is a MAC. It's rubbed off, but it's a flat brush. Any flat brush will do. A smaller flat brush, nothing big, because you're going to put right up into the brow, and then you're going to go up this way, just towards the end, the tail end of the brow, because you have all of that jumbo orange right there in front. And then with your brush, you're going to drag it down so that it can have that ombre effect and just spill into the other colors. Just drag it. It's the only time that I approve you of dragging something or somebody. There's too much fighting in the beauty community. Honestly, I just stand aside. I'm like, you know what? I'm an auntie. I can't be fighting like this, you know. Do I want to sometimes? Yes. So you just have to, you know, take it real slow. Yes. And then let me just brush this out a little bit. So you have a little bit of red right there. Voila. I'm just touching up on my yellow just to keep that extra punch. So you should have something like this. Okay. Alrighty, my loves. I'm going to brush the underneath. Let me just take a big, nice, sweepy brush. This is a Chanel. Let me see. Yep, Chanel. Had it for ages. I am going to take Isafa, the red one, and I'm just going to smoke the bottom lid out. Take it from the edge, yeah? Don't worry about this, we're going to blend that out. Just take that in. It's such a beautiful red too. I love it. And just go gently and have that really beautiful, deep, lovely red underneath. So I'm just going to line the eye, and this is what I do. I've done it 100 times, but I'm going to do it again, yeah? Right above to the very end of the eye, I sweep it down. That's what I do. See? I just sweep it down. Like so. And then I go right onto the lash and I join it. This is NYX Matte. I think this is just supposed to be the hardest part of the liner. It's the top because you want it to be really slim. You want it to be streamlined. You don't want it to be too thick. And my trick for you guys is that start right onto the lash line. That way you can't make a mistake because it's such a thin line that you can build onto that from there. So there you have, darlings. You see the wing liner. So I'm going to take a small angle brush. So I'm just going to go into my little jumbo pencil milk that I have depotted. And I'm just going to go right underneath the pupil. There you go. See, it just opens up the eye. I like this look. I'm taking my Juvia's gel liner and I'm going to go over the wing liner, and that just keeps it very black, very matte. I like to go in with the precision with the NYX, but this is the magic. And the gel liner is so soft and creamy, and I can just graze this over my lashes as well, in between my lashes, so I have a completely nice black effect. And this lasts all day. This will not move. And you can see how lovely and yummy and black it is. Oh, I die. And I'm just going to make sure that everything is kind of blended, yeah? So I'm just going to go in a little bit with the pink right there, the edges, and just make sure that everything looks good. Alrighty. I'm going to take the Odogwu, there you go, and I just want to have a little highlight in the tear ducts of the eye, just to complete the eye, yeah? So just take like a little brush, I don't know if you guys can see how tiny it is, and just put that in. Yes, that's all that you need. Not too much now. Voila. And then I am going to take the newest mascara I am in love with. It is absolutely fabulous, and this is the Bad Girl Bang Benefit Mascara. When I tell you that your lashes just go whoosh, they go whoosh. I am loving it. The best mascara to date. So I'm going to do my lashes very quickly and then put on my falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay? All right, darling. So I used Shop Lady lashes. I love them. Can you see? So this is the name of the lashes. So now we're going to go in and finish up with the face. We're going to have some blushes, a little bit of highlighter, and we're going to go in with the Juvia's Place Volume 1 Blush Palette, Saharan Blush Palette to be exact. And I'm going to take my blusher brush from Juvia's Place. Love, 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 love their brushes. And we're just going to go in with Toby. I already know it. I use it so much. And it's a beautiful yellow, but it comes off like honey. So let me just take my little mirror right here. A little bit right here too, do you see? It comes off like orange, but it's not. Put a little bit onto my temple, I guess. Just warms it up. That's all that I need. See? Okay. Then we're going to use Reese's highlighter. I am loving this highlighter. I've done a full tutorial, review tutorial on this look right here. Reese Anastasia Beverly Hills. It came out today. Yes, darlings. And it's a beautiful universal gold, and that's what we're working with today. And just put it right there on the tops of your cheeks. Just look at how fabulous that is. And it blends out so beautifully. It just gives me life. It really does. And you just touch it right there. On the tips of my nose. Right there. Right there. Blend it out so it's not too much. I like that. It does work. Yeah, look. Isn't that nice? Because the shadows are such a strong color, I just wanted to lace my lips with some gold. Voila. Now I'm going to take a lipstick from Fenty Beauty, and this is called Supermoon. It's so gorgeous. And I'm just going to put this on top of the gold. Nice. I'm going to line this with my favorite lip pencil, Chestnut, just to give it a little bit of depth and just pull it together. Woohoo! What do we think? I like this. I do. Sitting across the table from Ole during Valentine's dinner, asking him, what did he get me? Yeah. This looks fabulous. All right. Favorite all time. All time. I just love it. I don't think there's anything out there that's as good as this. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Gorgeous. I'm going to put a little bit of spritz. I like it. So yes, darlings, this is my Valentine's look. I hope you love it. And yeah, tell me what you guys think. Yeah, I like it. It's bold, it's fabulous. Above all, it is wearable. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for all of the support. I love you guys. Know that you have a discount code by me. My gift to you all year round, FUMI. And I'll see you in the next episode. Ula, my darling.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.